Hi guys, today we are going to do one very important case which is equally important for JEE as well as for NET. The case is ice and liquid case. This is a container having liquid in it, having density rho. Height of the fluid here is h. Now in this container there is some ice cube is placed. This is the liquid. Now ice cube is placed like this one, and after some time ice melts. After putting this ice here, let the level is H1, and in the third case it is going to melt now. So in the third case I am assuming height is, it is melting now, it has melted already. So this is height is H2. Now it can be asked in exam, what is the relation between H1 and H2? This is the possibility, or this is the possibility, or this one. What is the possibility? If H1 is greater than H2, or H1 less than H2, or H1 is equal to H2. These things we have to think about it. So come to this picture. If we can see this picture and draw the another diagram. Suppose this is the shape volume inside. This is the volume inside of the ice in the liquid. If we talk about buoyant force, then what happens? Buoyant force FB is equal to weight of the liquid. Buoyant force on this acting upward, and weight of the cube, ice cube, acting down. So buoyant force means V inside into density of the liquid into G. This is equal to M into G. So G cut. We are getting V inside M upon rho. This is the volume inside. Now we can also write, अगर ये मेल्ट करता है तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ जो वाटर बनेगा वो क्या होगा? मास अपॉन डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर, दिस वन, मेल्ट होने के बाद. अब यहाँ दो केसेस हैं. केस वन देख लें, अगर इफ डेंसिटी रो इज ग्रेटर देन रो वाटर, दिस वन, मतलब जो लिक्विड है यहाँ पे दैट इज मोर डेंसर देन वाटर, तो उससे क्या होगा? V in लेस देन V वाटर. इनसाइड वॉल्यूम कम है और जो वाटर बनेगा यहाँ पे वो ज्यादा होगा. दैट मीन्स इस केस में क्या होगा? लिक्विड लेवल विल राइज हियर लाइक दिस. सो इन दिस केस H2 विल बी ग्रेटर देन H1. जस्ट माइंड इट. क्या होगा यहाँ पे? H2 greater than H1. Now think about case 2. If density rho of this liquid less than density water, तो वाटर की डेंसिटी अगर ज्यादा होगी तो VW will be less than V in. मतलब जितना यहाँ वाटर बना वो वॉल्यूम कम है एज कंपेयर टू वॉल्यूम इनसाइड, तो लिक्विड विल कम फ्रॉम द सराउंडिंग एंड ट्राई टू फिल इट. सो उस केस में हाइट कम हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स दिस इज H2 लेस देन H1. एंड सपोज हमारे पास है रो इज इक्वल टू रो W. इस केस में क्या होगा? इस केस में हो जाएगा V in इज इक्वल टू VW. देन व्हाट हैपेंस? इट मीन्स वी हैव H1 is equal to H2. This is so easy to do. So 3 cases understood. Draw this and note it down and wait for the new exciting videos. Go through this.